Using a mobile phone while skating on the ice is dangerous to you and those around you. Please use this app responsibly, watch first and practice later. When we're skating our backwards padding, there are some very simple shapes that we need to take care of. First of all, we need to make sure that we have our toes and knees turned inwards, so right from the top of the leg, rotating inwards. We're going to bend those knees slightly. Make sure the arms are out nice and steady. Staying in the front 1/3 of your skate, you're going to gently pad up and down with those feet. Now, we're not trying to walk or take steps backwards. In fact, we're just stepping up and down on the spot. And the fact that our feet are turned in with this angle, this diagonal point coming together, is actually going to start to make us move backwards. All right, so never stepping and walking backwards, just up and down as if you're on the spot, like when a cat plays with you with their paws and they're just padding on top of your lap. Same kind of movement. A special note for those wearing hockey skates, because the rocker radius of your blade is somewhat different from figure skates and you don't have the toe pick at the front end of your blade, it's going to be more important that as you skate this skill, you stay in the center instep area of your foot and blade as you pad backwards. And you also may find, because there's not the same heel on the back of the skates, the hockey skates are slightly flatter footed, that you might get slightly less inward rotation depending on your level of mobility, just because you haven't got that little extra raise and lift underneath the heel. Okay, so bear that in mind. Slightly flatter footed for the hockey skaters, but you will still need to try and get that slight inward turn at the knees and the feet and the hips.
Organise your body shapes before moving off. A straight back with arms out, bent knees, toes and knees pointed inwards. Aim for a steady rhythm in your padding, as this will help you manage your weight transfer for stress-free backward movement. Remember, the angle of your feet will depend on your natural range of turn in, and whether that's a lot or a little, with every step keep turning your legs inwards as you pad up and down with your feet.